like a star in the sky, and I admire your twinkle. Hey, I know the little things you do. What a considerate thinker, and chicks be like, you hit the good old man with the cinnamon. Oh yeah, you see how he's into me? He's one of a kind. It takes a lifetime to find.
Welcome to our channel. Welcome to Willis. All right, you guys. Today we're going to do the husband does wife's makeup challenge today. So how are you feeling about that?
Not very confident. I know nothing about this. Tried to read a few notes, but other than that, I'm at a loss. Brush them brows, y'all. Brush them brows. Let's get started here. So now let's go ahead and let's try. And y'all, I'm going to go with this color right here. This color right here. That's what we're gonna go with.
Okay.
I'm putting on the brow palette, y'all. And it looks wonderful. Brush them out again. Alright, so now I'm going to conceal these brows. I'm going to blend this in with this little brush here. Okay, now I'm going to apply the eyeshadow. Alright, so
Let me show you guys his brow work. Alright.
Hey, don't hate. It's my first time. I think I'm doing a pretty good job.
I think it's gonna all come together. The finished look is gonna probably come together.
That's right.
All
I got this, y'all. I got this. Have faith in me. I'm gonna get through this. Okay, so I'm thinking, y'all. I'm sitting here looking at what eyeshadow I'm going to pick. And you know what? I think I'm gonna go with the purple. Purple.
Okay.
Purple shirt. It's gonna go along just well. Alright. Prepare yourselves. Okay. So now, y'all, I'm going to try the eyeliner. Mascara. Well, now I'm going to try and put on the foundation. This looks like sand. Apply. We're going to use the contour. which is going to highlight her cheekbones.
Structure
cheekbones. And I think we're going to use, let's see, let me go.
What you heard, nigga?
Contour apply.
But that's actually not too bad.
Going to highlight. I'm gonna go with, it says hot. Highlights.
You know what? It don't look too bad. It's
The best.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yes.
I mean, you can tell I have on makeup definitely, but
Well, first time, y'all. I mean, let me know how am I doing. First time. All right. So now, y'all. Last but not least, I'm going to apply the blush. And
Face.
I still look beautiful.
Oh, yes.
I should look even more beautiful. Not. All right, y'all. This is the finished product.
give him a closer look.
This is a closer look of the finished product. He didn't do too bad. I mean, I look like Halloween or
Yeah.
drag. What do you guys give this look? From a 1 to a 10. What do you give this look? Rate my look.
At least the eyeshadow blends in with the shirt. I mean, yeah, y'all. Let us know. Like I said, if there's some different challenges and stuff y'all would like to see us try, or any content for that matter, let us know. We will definitely make a video and upload it for you guys. Other than that, I think that's it.
Willis out.